Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to share with you how to prepare onion juice. And first I'm going to start by peeling the onion. Peeling off the outer layers of the onion is essential because these layers are often dry, tough, and can carry dirt or residue from handling. Removing them ensures that you work with the fresher, more tender inner layers, which are easier to blend or grate. Additionally, the outer layers typically don't contain as much juice or nutrients as the inner section, so discarding them allows you to maximize the quality and effectiveness of juice you prepare. The juice primarily contains sulfur compounds, antioxidants, and vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin B6, and these nutrients contribute to its potent properties. So our next step is washing our onion and making sure that it's thoroughly clean. Washing the onion after peeling is crucial because it ensures any remaining dirt and bacteria is removed. So onion juice is renowned for its ability to promote hair growth, strengthen hair follicles, and reduce dandruff. Its sulfur content boosts production of collagen, which is essential for healthy hair and skin. Additionally, it may help in fighting scalp infections due to its antimicrobial properties. So guys, as you can see, I've just sliced the onion into 2 halves because it's going to be easier for me to grate and it is not going to give me a hard time. So guys, let's start grating the onion. Grating the onion is an important step because it breaks the onion into small and fine pieces, making much easier to extract the juice. This process increases the surface area, allowing more of the onion's beneficial compounds such as sulfur to be released. Grating also ensures that the onion is reduced into a pulp, which is ideal for squeezing maximum amount of juice. By finely shredding the onion, you can obtain a more concentrated and effective liquid for whatever purpose you intend to use it for. But for our case, it's for hair care. So I'm finally done grating the onion, and what I have here is the pulp, and right now we are going to extract the onion juice. And I'm not just going to extract the juice the way it is. I'm just going to add a little bit of water to help me during the extraction. So after adding water to the pulp, make sure to mix it well before you start sieving to ensure that the pulp and water is mixed well. So our next step involves passing the pulp through a fine mesh sieve to separate the liquid and the solid bits of onion, ensuring you collect a smooth and pure juice. So I'm done sieving the juice, and my next step is I'm going to store the juice in a bottle and store in a cool, dry place. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you've liked it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos.